Get a jump start on your holiday projects with the GO Ornaments Medley and GO Tree Skirt Wedge Dies. The GO Ornaments Medley die features 7 unique shapes that can be cut in a single pass through any GO fabric cutter. Be sure to add fusible before cutting up to 4 layers of pre-fused cotton fabric. This die also comes with 3 free downloadable embroidery stitches to enhance your quilting even more. Pair the GO Ornaments Medley die with other applique dies, compatible GO Cube block sets, and project dies to create decorative pillows, cozy throw quilts, and more. The GO Tree Skirt Wedge Die easily and quickly cuts a 4-color tree skirt in 4 passes through the GO or GO Big fabric cutters. 20 wedges will create 1 full tree skirt measuring 45 inches in diameter. Make a traditional tree skirt with beautiful holiday fabrics or embellish it with festive applique. You can even use block-on board dies to create a unique center design. These 2 dies work wonderfully together for creating amazing holiday projects you and your family will treasure. Download your free patterns on the AccuQuilt website and get started today. Your holiday project to-do list just got easier because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt more.